angles. So, are you ready? Okay. This is very, very important, and the title of this module is Angles. Angles is all about the various ways you can present an affiliate offer to ensure you make a good amount of sales. Now, I'll advise you to put away all distractions and stay focused, because this is a section that will determine how much profit you make from each affiliate campaign you run to your subscribers. Okay, as a successful affiliate marketer, I have listed, I didn't hold back, the various angles I've been using over a period of time to achieve a successful affiliate marketing campaign. I'm going to go through them one after the other and take my time to explain all of them to you. If you can carefully understand and master this concept of angles, trust me, you won't struggle to write any affiliate promotion. You won't struggle to promote any product irrespective of the niche, because you have a handful of options to position your offer or your promotion to subscribers. Okay, let's dive in. The first angle on my list is called the proof or result-based angle. The second one is called the product angle, also known as tested and proven angle. The third angle is called the personal angle. The fourth one is the make money angle. The fifth is the done for you bonus angle. The sixth one is the business opportunity angle. And the seventh one is the attribute angle. Then, the last but not the least is the bonus angle. I'll be spending some time to comprehensively explain all of these angles to you. So, starting from the first one, the proof or result-based angle.